but I'm like shivering and I feel like I might drop the camera or something. God, why am I like this? Nah, man, this is not for me. I'm just gonna get off, please. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get off. It's okay, some photos are just not meant to be.
I've been through a lot of phases in my photography journey. I've shot flowers, I've shot cake, I've shot ice cream, I've done Brandon Waffle style portraits. That's my nephew, by the way. I totally think I should print that for his 18th birthday. But there's one phase that I never really got the chance to be part of. That is the abandoned building photography. Just go on YouTube and type abandoned building photography and you'll see so many videos of photographers shooting photos at abandoned buildings. I wanted to be part of this trend. And right now they've asked us to self-isolate, but like I really wanted to make photos, so I decided maybe this is actually the perfect time to go out to an abandoned building and make photos, because it's not too different from staying alone at home, right? So that's what we did. Me, this person and this person, the three of us woke up early in the morning and we went to this building that an Instagram friend, man with the cam, introduced to me. So you guys know how this works. I take my GoPro and put it on my chest using a chest mount strap thing, which I can't seem to find right now. And then I just say, GoPro, start recording, with a slightly less pretentious accent. And then it starts recording. Right now there's no battery, so it won't start recording. But then I just basically let the thing roll till the card gets full. And yeah, let's get into the video. Enjoy.
Whoa, holy.
Content.
Okay, so me and my friends arrived at the location. I'm gonna say around 7:30, and the way I'm gonna do this is there's also like the GoPro audio I've recorded. I've spoken in some areas, but then I'm also gonna commentate on top, which is what I'm doing right now. So I hope that isn't too confusing, but yeah, enjoy. Essentially, at this point, we're just checking out the location because we're like super excited, and the light was really crazy, as you can see. And yeah, we're just feeling the place, going around and checking out possible shots, compositions. At this point I was shooting on my 12mm and I was beginning to go that side, check out the other area, but then Dinesh stopped me and he asked me to just stand where I was, so I could like model for his shots. So he took my 12mm because he wanted to shoot on that, and I exchanged it for his 50mm on the 200D, which we actually do quite a bit, and that's one of the perks of having photographer friends. Like if you go out and shoot with friends, you can exchange your cameras and stuff. So he was on the call with somebody, and I just got these couple of photos. Light is really cool, but the shots itself, I mean, they're all right, not anything out of the ordinary. Cool shots.
Oh wow.
Just walking by, just exploring all kind of options and seeing different compositions. At this point I noticed Rukmini was on the other side. She was being backlit by the sun and it looked absolutely beautiful, looked magical. Magical is the word I'm going to use. And I just shot a couple of photos and I really like how they turned out. Actually, I mean, these are probably my favorite photos from that session, and that's kind of crazy because I don't really get shots that are like so early on into the shoot.
Oh, that looks kind of cool.
Shit.
That looks kind of cool.
Huh?
That looks good.
Yeah.
What if I got an 85 for that? That'll be too tight, I guess.
2 copies. My 30 maybe.
Oh.
My God.
Oi. Oi. Hello.
I was just walking around trying to just explore and see different compositions. I got this one shot, basically for like future reference. I wanted to like make somebody stand there and click a picture there, so I just took it as a frame of reference. Got closer to Dinesh, clicked another shot. I actually like this one a lot. It's just a simple portrait, but is it qualified as a portrait if you can't see the person? I don't know. Anyway, I shot another shot just straight up of Rukmini. She was standing in the center. Cool shot, but nothing really crazy about it. Like there's too much empty space on the top and bottom, and that hole is just distracting. I gave back the camera to Dinesh, and he gave back my camera. I was shooting on the 12mm again, and I think I changed to video mode for some reason, and I did like a mini vlogging test. I don't remember why exactly I did that.
Light also is really nice, so like I'm gonna do a small section of one of my next videos here because it looks pretty crazy. The classic look up shot. I'm gonna do one more of these and then maybe I'll switch to the 85. What's happening? What? Yes, you can move.
And you come.
Okay, so I just switched to the 85 1.8 Viltrox. Let's see if we can get some shots with this. I have like one shot in mind. It's pretty like cliche, like normal composition, but like I'm still gonna try it anyway. So essentially I just want like a shot, like a tight this thing of that, and then somebody walking. Actually it doesn't look that great, not what I'd imagined. Maybe like a 50mm would be nicer. 85 is like too tight. Shit. You know what, I'm gonna try to make something out of it anyway. Ooh, that looks interesting. If I can get somebody to stand there, just gonna snap it anyway. Sure, could make something out of that. Oh yeah, maybe that too. That looks pretty tight. Can I get somebody up there? Like sitting on that? No, I think that's pretty dangerous. No, I'm not gonna do that. Man, this is pretty crazy though. Like a lot of scope for composition in this place, like just buildings in general. Okay guys, I need somebody to go stand there.
Okay, so later on in that shoot, I did actually get Dinesh to stand there, and I made these photos. Decent, they're alright, but at this point basically I couldn't find them, so I just went off on my own little adventure. There was another abandoned building on the opposite side, so I was just trying to get on top of that.
So far it's been like an okay-ish shoot. I mean, this is a great place, but like I feel like I'm not getting the best photos I can, which is fine. Alright, we're here. Hello.
Yeah, where are you?
I just came to this opposite building.
Oh,
Yeah. What?
which way?
I want to get a shot, but I'm just sitting and like my legs are swaying in the air, Sam Golder style. But I'm like a little too scared for that, man. I don't have that kind of courage. Like, what if I fall off? This is not really what I'm good at. So like, let's see. Oh, I can sit there maybe. That's not too scary. Like that portion there. I can make a photo there for sure. Okay, it is a little scary. Okay, shit, this is pretty nerve-wracking. I'm just too scared. I don't even know what to shoot. Initially, I just wanted like one clip and one photo with the camera up here, but I'm like shivering and I feel like I might drop the camera or something. Oh God. Why am I like this? Nah man, this is not for me. I'm just gonna get off, please. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get off. It's okay, some photos are just not meant to be.
Okay, so I got off, but I got off to change the lens. I was on the 85 and I wanted to switch to the 12mm so that I could go back and shoot.
Alright, let's give this one more go. One more shot. I'm gonna set my camera up. I don't know when I'm gonna use that shot, if I'm ever gonna use that shot. But if if people just ask me, hey, what watch is that? I'm just gonna, just send them this photo like a sort of flex,
Alright, a PSA. I don't want to sound like your dad, but please don't ever do something stupid like this, like sitting on the edge of a building so high. It's just not worth it. Yes, the shots look cool, but those shots were not even my favorite shots from the shoot. These were. So like, honestly, you can get cool shots even without getting on really crazy heights. That was probably the last time you're going to see something that high in one of my videos. Like, honestly, I don't endorse such stuff. Like, you can get cool stuff even while being on the first floor. Nothing happened to me, but stay safe. And yeah, that was about it. By this point, I just started going back and we shot for a little more longer. My GoPro was full, so I couldn't really record more POV stuff, but we made some more photos and then we left, and that was about it. That's it for this POV session. Hopefully you guys found this video enjoyable, entertaining, informative. I don't really think informative, just hope you enjoy watching it. If you did, give it a like. If you did not, vote it down. Let me know in the comments why I didn't like it. If you're new around here, consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. I'm so excited to be back. It's been Suraj. Thank you so much for watching. Take it easy and stay devoted.